Alright guys, so I picked up a set of upper crash bars for my Ibex 450 here, and we're going to install them and see what it looks like. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to pop these little side plastic covers off. There's one on each side. I've already popped them off. And then underneath here, you're going to take those two bolts out, and this little plastic cover right here is going to come off. Okay, now that we have that off, you can see where it bolted through. We are going to put this bracket on that the crash bar is attached to, and it's just basically reverse procedure. Came with two bolts here, and yeah, so let's go ahead and slap that in there. Okay, so we have our crash bar mounting bracket mounted in here. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to move to the bars. Let's grab our hardware and go there. Okay, we got the right side on. Now, one thing I did find helpful was to start this one first and then go to that one and then to that one. That way it lines up a little bit easier. I fought it for a second until I figured that out. Another thing I did was I added a little bit of some Loctite on the bolts so they didn't rattle loose. So that's this side. We're going to move to the other side. And another note, keep everything loose. You know, don't tighten it down tight until you get the other side on and everything is attached. Now let's move on to the left. Okay, we've got our crash bars on now. We've got all our bolts tight. Everything under there is nice and tight. Alright, now of course, the last piece of the puzzle, our little snaps here. And those just go on there. And that's it. And there's your finished product. I'm not gonna lie, them look pretty good on there. And that's how you install the Cfmoto Ibex 450 crash bars. Pretty simple. There, there, and under there. Piece of cake.